Welcome to the review channel, guys. Today I have what at some point is going to be an owl nesting box. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review, and I do have to open and assemble this yet, but looking at the assembly instructions, it's half a sheet. This is going to be so easy, so much fun. I'm going to put it together with the tools provided, and it looks like it came with a bag of wood shavings for the owls, and like I said, it came with the screwdriver in here and all the screws. So we're going to put it together real quick and set it up. First thing I did was organize all of these pieces in order that I'm going to be putting them together according to the sheet that just blew away. And now I'm going to get the screws and I'm going to start putting them together in order. So it looks like there's 2 screws to each board to hold them together, and the holes will just line right up as long as you got the boards flat. Once you got the 2 side pieces on, you're going to slide in the bottom, and you're going to want these 4 holes facing down in this way, so that these hinges can hook on. And you'll attach them with the 4 screws, 2 on each side. And then we're going to slide this front in here and line up these hinge holes. And you'll see it's got like this little latch to keep it from coming open once it's together. And there's these little tiny screws that'll go in each of these to hold it on. And then the last piece is the top, which we're just going to line up with the 4 pre-drilled holes and screw it in. Then we're pretty much done. That was super easy. It took like 5 minutes. And it's got this cool little door, like I showed you when we were assembling it. That helps if you open the latch. It opens up, and then you can clean it out between residents and close it back up and latch it shut. So that's cool. So we're gonna go find a place to hang this. Also, it came with this bag of wood shavings, which I'm gonna put in here for like a bedding for them. It sounds like it's just pine shavings. I have a ton of these, so even if it does get used, I'll have more that I can put in here to replace it. And we'll keep that in there because apparently owls must like it, because otherwise why'd they send it for me? All right, so we got the bedding inside and it's all set up, and we are gonna go mount this. I think this looks like an owl tree. So I'm gonna try to climb up there if I can, as high as I can, and I'm gonna mount it up there. So it's been a couple of weeks and this is still empty, but we're gonna leave it hanging and hopefully something finds this home. So I'll have to check to see when owls around here nest, to see if maybe I put it up at the wrong time of year, or it needs to be in a higher location, or what needs to happen. But it's still a cute little owl house, and I definitely recommend it if you're looking for one.